Good morning, my dear students of class 3. Now you have been completed your classwork, homework, and now you are ready for your first term exam, right? Then you have been celebrated so many events. Guri Purnima, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, then Ganeshotsav also you have been celebrated. Teachers' Day you have been celebrated. Now what for you are waiting now? What is coming soon? That is our new enjoyment, and we will be enjoy 9 days. We will be play something. What is that? Yes, right. We will be play dandiya and we will celebrate Navratrostav. So, student, in our village, in our city, in our state, and in our country, we are celebrating so many festivals. But around the world, how many are they? We don't know. So we have to get know something about them, and that we will learn from our GK book, General Knowledge. This is our General Knowledge book, and we will today see the lesson number 4, festivals around the world. We are looking around the world. Some festivals are celebrated in unique traditional ways with a lot of enthusiasm. Recognize the following festivals and write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. Now see picture number 1. This is picture number 1 and this is description. People build wonderful things using ice and snow. They decorate them with lights and lasers. The festival is celebrated in the China, and name of festival is number C, Harbin. Harbin Ice and Snow Festivals. This one is C. You have to write in here. Then number 2, this is a picture of festival given here. Description: people celebrate this festival with lanterns, dragons, symbolic clothing, and fireworks. Now this festival is also celebrated in China. This is also in China, and name of festival is China's New Year. This is Chinese New Year. Here given here number F. Number F is Chinese New Year. You have to write this Chinese New Year. Then see number 3 is there. Number 3 is here. People move in a parade and dance in colorful dresses. This one is Rio Carnival. This is Rio Carnival. I. You have to write here I. And what is I? Rio Carnival. The name of country is Brazil. Where this is celebrating, Brazil celebrate Rio Carnival. Then next one is people wear unique masks and the best costumes. That is number 4. This one is, and this is Carnival of Venice. Carnival of Venice. We will be find here H. Number H is Carnival of Venice, and it is celebrating in Italy. What is the name of country? That is Italy. And next number is number 5. Description is here. People move in a parade, dance and enjoy in beautiful green colored dresses. And what is the name of this? This is B. Saint Patrick Day. Saint Patrick's Day is celebrated in Ireland. Here Saint Patrick Day celebrated in Ireland. And this is the picture of that festival. People move in a parade, dance and enjoy in beautiful green colored dresses. Now see next one. Number 6. This is number 6. And what is description is saying? People celebrate these festivals by throwing water on one another. They use water guns, buckets, horses, etc. So this one is Songkran. This one is Songkran Water Festival. Songkran Water Festival A. Option is A. You have to write number A here. The festival is celebrated in Thailand. This is a Thailand's festival. Next number is 7. Number 7 is this festival includes making sand sculpture, contest, food and live entertainment. This is celebrating in Texas. And what is the name of this festival? It is a Sandfest festival. This is a Sandfest festival. The next one is, this is the picture number 8. See how it is. The largest open air music and performing arts festival in the world. The largest open air music and performing arts festival in the world, and it is in England. And name of the festival is Glastonbury Music Festival. Number D. This is the answer, D. Glastonbury Music Festival. Then next one is number 9. This one is very nice. What is description? C. People throw tomatoes at one another. They enjoy and dance on live music. You will like this festival because they throw the tomatoes and you can also throw. So name of this festival is La Tomatina. C. G. La Tomatina. This is the answer. This is the last one's answer. Number 9's answer is La Tomatina. So these are the festivals around the world. Only few we haven't seen. And now this is the there is one exercise is there you will do at home. That is your homework. Internet search. This is your homework. Last one is, and read again and again this lesson. Recognize the festivals one by one. See, number 1 is Harbin Ice and Snow Festival in China. Number 2 is this one is Chinese New Year. It is also in celebrate in China. Then number 3 is this one is 3 is at Brazil. This is called Rio Carnival. This one is Rio Carnival. And next one is this is Carnival of Venice. This is Carnival of Venice, celebrating in Italy. Next one is, this one is Saint Patrick's Day. Saint Patrick's Day celebrated in Ireland. Next one is Songkran Water Festival celebrated in Ireland. Then next one is Sandfest celebrated in Texas. Texas, and this is Sandfest festival celebrated in Texas. Then next one is, this one is Glastonbury Music Festival. Glastonbury Music Festival celebrated in England. And next one is, festival is people throw tomatoes. This is a Tomatina, La Tomatina. La Tomatina's festival is celebrated in Spain. So these are 9 festivals we have been seen around the world. You read again and again and try to recognize them. Use help box and do homework. Have a nice day. Be happy. See you. Bye.